In this video, we're going to quickly learn how we can add pages to our project. So to do this, all you have to do is come here to the sitemap, where we can add two different types of pages or screens. So we can add single screens and collection screens by clicking Add Screen, and a new page or screen is automatically added. Now we can come here to Configuration, where we can find settings that can be altered. Modifications can be made to the name or the slug, for example. We can also duplicate, delete, or define this page as the home page. If we click on the page, we can navigate to this new page or screen, where we can see that it's completely empty. It still needs elements and to be customized. If we now go back to the sitemap, we can also add collection screens. This isn't done independently. So to add a new collection screen, you'll have to create a new collection in the CMS. So every time a new collection is created, an associated collection screen is generated. So here we have a series of collection screens, and underneath we can see the name of the original collection. So I'm going to add a collection screen by adding a collection to the CMS. I'm going to click here on Add Collection, and here I'm creating a collection. I'm going to call it Test Collection, and now I'm going to come out and save. This isn't the only way we can do this. You can also do this in the collection panel. When we click the collection panel, we can see the collection called Test Collection that we just created through the sitemap. Now we're going to create another collection from here by clicking New Collection, where I'm going to add a collection called Test Collection 02. Now I'm going to add two entries to Text Collection 02, entry 01 and now entry 02. We now have two entries for our Test Collection 02. Now I'm going to come out of here, and as we can see, we have our Test Collection 02. And now we're going to confirm within our sitemap that we have another page. So we have another collection screen for the Test Collection 02. When we create a collection screen, we're actually creating a series of screens. The amount of screens is dependent on the amount of entries the original collection has. So in this case, our Test Collection 02 has two entries, entry 01 and entry 02. Now we're going to go into this collection screen. Just click into it, and as we can see, it's empty, like the screen we saw before. The screen is actually special because it doesn't represent a single screen. It represents all of the screens within the collection. We can access these entries using this drop-down menu. So when our layout is ready, we can see the populated content that we have developed. And that's how easy it is to create pages, both collection screens and single screens.